We'll start the mandatory function in presence of Dr. S.S. Oval, sir, the core person in the field of robotics. Uh, we had with us Dr. P.D. Pantavane, sir, our head of Department of Manufacturing and Industrial Management. We are with us Dr. Gopal Sinde, sir, the expert speaker for the morning session, and all my colleague members, organizing team members, as well as the faculty members from production, manufacturing and industrial management department. Warm greetings from my side, and I am very much thankful for joining this particular validatory function. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity that this was my first attempt to organize this particular Atal FDP, that too in online mode. There might be many lacunas from my side that I accept, but I made an attempt to give my best in this particular thing. The session from beginning, it was organized in a way that fundamentals, then overview of robotics by Dr. B.B. Ahuja sir. Then there was a stress management session by yoga practitioner, expert from the home yoga. Then Dr. O sir took three sessions: social robotics, then collaborative robotics, and humanoids, all advanced topics, but covering all the aspects of robotics, giving all the details. Also, there was a session from the hardware point of view, open source hardware using Arduino by Mr. Uh, Sandeep Shroff. And then our faculty colleague, Dr. Yaman Dhanvijay sir, he did give excellent presentation on mechatronics and robotics. Also, Dr. Kishore Javle, he gave the excellent presentation related to hydraulics and pneumatics with hands-on. And then Dr. Vijay Kumar Dalla from NIT Jamshedpur, he talked about robotics and AI and some of the simulation tools like Robo Analyzer and Symbol. And Dr. Gopal Sinde sir in the morning session, he gave all the detailing related to robots in agricultural field. And also expert from uh, MIT ADT University, micro and nano robotics topic, which was being delivered by Dr. S.B. Sanap sir. So all the experts who had given their best in this particular FDP, I must thank them. So this was the overall conduction of the FDP. So in this, it was smoothly being conducted. There will be some feedbacks which we will be taking from the participants. But prior to that, I would like to request our head of department to say a few words towards this particular program.
Thank you, Java sir.
Santosh sir, your
Yes,
camera
am I audible, Java sir?
Yes, yes. You can
Okay.
switch on your video.
There is a problem with my video actually.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Java sir. So, dear participants and guest of honors, it's my great pleasure to say a few words on this valedictory session of this 5-day certification program. I have attended the very excellent session by Ode sir, and I have seen the applications of robot, and I've watched that robot can be as seen. The robot can be used everywhere in all walks of life. Robot is helpful for human being in all walks of life. Okay, whether it is medical field, whether it is manufacturing, whether it is construction, and we can see robot is everywhere. Robot is the part of life nowadays, and we should have the good knowledge, the basic fundamental knowledge of the robot. And this is the program. The objective of this program was that to spread basic awareness, fundamental awareness about the robotics. So Java sir has done very good job. The speakers were contributed well. Dr. Dayabai sir, Kishore sir, Dr. Ode sir, and other speakers. They have contributed well. They have delivered very nice lectures. About our department is Department of Manufacturing Engineering and Industrial Management. Previously, it was Department of Production Engineering and Industrial Management. We have renamed it. This department was established in the year 1994. In our department, we have one UG program and we are running 3 PG programs right now. But from this semester, we are introducing the MTech program in Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. And that will be MTech program, 2 years MTech program. We have very good robotics lab, and this robotics lab is famous because our students are winning every year good awards and laurels for our institution. Our students are continuously working. The lab is open for 24/7, and many people are visiting our lab. If you happen to be here in the Pune, then I request you to visit our lab. We have other facilities as well. We have well-known Fab Lab also. We have a good workshop here, central workshop here, and many other facilities are there in the department and in the institution. I request you that you come here, okay, see the labs, okay, if you want to use the labs or you want to see the facilities that you want to replicate at your institutions, right, or you want to use that, okay, you are welcome here. I congratulate Daiva sir for successfully completing this program, and also I congratulate all participants who have given their 5 days for this program and enthusiastically learn all the things. I congratulate all of you once again for completing this program and conclude my 3 words here. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for kind words. I would like to request from the participants representation, maybe 2-3 participants, if they can speak for this particular validatory function, how they feel it, so that for AICT also we have to submit all these feedbacks, though you are giving in the document form.
Sir, I would like to speak.
Yes, madam, please.
Myself, my name is Bhavna Grover, and I'm a computer teacher. I'm in this field from last 15 years, and presently I'm in Salwan Public School, Ghaziabad. And actually attending this function for 5 years was like being in some other world and learning so many new things, exciting things, and listening to all these eminent educationists, the technicians, these knowledgeable people. They have shared their ideas. I want to thank everybody, all of them, for just giving us, providing our mind with the food of knowledge, which was actually we were searching from last so many years. Robotics had been of interest to me a lot. I've taken some robotics projects in my school where even the primary class students, I have taught how to make these DIY robots using cardboards, and using cardboards they have made these robots. They were the workable robots, and I hope after getting all this knowledge from your side, from all of you, I'll be able to help my children more and will be able to motivate them to learn better. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, madam.
May I speak, sir?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, thank you, sir. Actually, it is a very upcoming field, and I had started robotics in my school. I think last 5 years back when I saw the Vex robotics kit. Then I got fascinated with it and how to assemble the robots and then program it. And then when this workshop was arranged, I liked it too a lot because it was something very fascinating. That how so many different types of robots are there. This humanoid thing is actually very fascinating for the students also, and a very upcoming field. So, and we came to know about how to program the Arduino. Even I have a ATL lab in my school, and we have been doing so many things, but still learning it for 5 days, it was really awesome. So many new things I came to know about, so many so many terminologies and how it is being used, how it is being implemented in the industries, and how it is being used in the different areas. It is also a very upcoming thing, and it is actually need of the hour. Every student should know it because it is something that is going to build up their skills. So, as a teacher, as an educator, it is our right. It is actually our duty to train the new juniors, new upcoming students. So it's very good initiative by AICT. So that when we are trained, then only we can train our kids. It is always education flows in this manner only. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for your kind words.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Gitanjali Hota from DAV Public School, Pokripur, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Sir, really it's been a pleasure to be associated with you since from 5 days. We got to know so many things, so many new things, innovative things from your end on the topic of robotics. Sir, actually, we have also conducted one kind of hackathon program on robotics 1 year before among our zone, and the students are really interested to learn more about robotics concepts, and they're also interested to prepare the live models of robotics. What you discussed in this forum, really it would be a great help for our students to associate with you in the future if you could able to extend your help for taking the sessions for our students some kind some way or other. We would be greatly obliged to you, sir, to your team. This whole program is very much planned, systematic. So I must congratulate and thank you to the team from on the behalf of our school. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Okay, I think the representation from participants, all they have given their views, and I must thank all of you for such a nice words for all of us. I would like to request now our uh, organizing committee member, Dr. Mani Dhananjay sir, to give vote of thanks for this valedictory function.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It is indeed a pleasant thing to give the vote of thanks for this 5-day FDP, the Atal Training and Learning Academy, whose vision is to empower faculty to achieve the goals of higher education, such as to access equity and quality. So I think through this 5-day FDP, all of us will achieve that vision. First of all, I'd like to thank AICT for coming up with this innovative scheme, especially in this COVID scenario. All of you, all the participants were able to join together on this platform and able to share the knowledge both ways. So, thanks to AICT. I'm thankful to College of Engineering Pune, our college, our honorable director, for sparing our valuable resources in successfully organizing this 5-day Atal FDP. I'm thankful to our head of the department for his kind words, and wherever we required the facility in the context of internet connection and so on, he was always there for us. I am thankful to our MIS team, our college MIS team, data center team, in the sense that wherever we had any connectivity problems, we were always there to sort out those issues, and the program was very well streamlined. So did not have any much of the problems. Of course, on the participant end, there were a lot of problems, but that is inevitable. I would like to thank our departmental faculty also and the organizing committee for carrying out the various tasks which have been assigned to them. Special thanks to all the speakers, including I can see Mr. Shinde, Dr. Shinde was there. Dr. O is there for his two special talks on robotics, humanoids, and so on. And in the end, I would like to give a special thanks to the main organizer, Dr. M. D. Jayaraj sir, for his untiring and indefatigable spirit in the context of organizing this program. We went to the labs and showed all the actual robots, to the video thing and so on. So finally, it is thanking to all the participants for your queries and for your inputs. And finally, without you, this FTP would not have been successful. So big thanks to all of you. Thank you.